G-thoughtz.
Welcome back, my son. Have a seat.
Nothing but the truth now. Nothing but the proof of what I am. The worst of what I came from. Patterns I'm ashamed of. Things that even I don't understand. I tried to fix it. I tried to fight it. My head was twisted. My heart divided. My lies all collided. I don't know why I didn't trust you to be on my side. I broke into a million pieces and I can't go back. But now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The scars are part of me. Darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies. This is what it sounds like. Why did I cover up the color stuck inside my head? I should have let the jagged edges meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath. I'll find your harmony. The song we can't write. This is what it sounds like. We're shattering the silence. We're rising defiant, shouting in the quiet. You're not alone. We listen to the demons and we let them get between us. But none of us are out here on our own. So we were cowards, so we were liars. So what? So we're not heroes, we're still survivors. The dreamers, the fighters, no lying, I'm tired. But dive in the fire. I'll be right here by your side. We broke into a million pieces and we can't go back. And now we're seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The scars are part of us. Darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies. This is what it sounds like. Why did we cover up the colors stuck inside our head? Get up and let the jagged edges meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath. I'll find your harmony. Fearless and undefined. This is what it sounds like. Hit back, girl. Okay, you want me to read this? Yeah, just read it. What is this? Just please read it. What it sounds like. What, are those kids in the picture? What is this? What the fuck is this? Please read it. And nothing but the truth now. Nothing but the proof. Okay, and great rhyming. Oh, Jesus Christ. I tried to fix it. You're supposed to read it out loud. You said read it. I'm reading it. Oh my God. It's pretty profound. I don't know. What do you want me to do with it? I wanted you to read it. But I heard your version. Your version was all dramatic. You sound like actually a serial killer halfway through. I think we sound like a serial killer right now. And I just stuttered. It's just double monologue. She heard it in the other ones, right? Yeah, I hope so. I'm not going to read this again. You did a great job. A little over dramatic, but I think she'll get the point. Wink, wink. K-pop band? Did a K-pop band really write this? I don't know. There's no way. But hey, pretty cool. Her version was badass. Her version made me tingle. Again, the cheat code. If you unlock what she's trying to say, wait, we're gonna get with her? No, it's not about us. We're never gonna meet her. Never. But she's gonna meet someone. And someone's gotta be listening to that. You know, whoever she's meant for in the next go-round, round 2, that guy better pick up on some of the clues that she's got going on in these songs. She's throwing out her own cheat code. Very interesting. But we'll leave that there. You didn't want to read it? It's cool. But it was pretty profound. And I just wanted, if she ever did hear this, with all due respect and love, I really wish she would have finished the entire fucking song. And one of these times, oh God, one of these days, girl, just sing the whole fucking song. Fuck the show. Love you.